Hej, välkommen allihopa. Idag ska vi prata om koordinater, or in English we call this coordinates. So here we have an X and a Y axis. På svenska vi säger X-axel här. So man kan räkna på X-axeln. This is our X values. And going up is our y-axis, or på svenska vi sa e-axel, or our vertical axis. And our pink axle, well, that's going to be called our horizontal axis. To remember, I always like to remember this. It starts with the letter Y, and Y rhymes with sky, so the y-axis is always pointing up and down. So, before we begin, let's focus over here. A coordinate has two numbers. It has an X and a Y. We have an X value, we have a Y value. So, we'll use these good colors to distinguish between the two. If we're going to go vänster eller höger, and our Y value, well, that's going to be up eller ner. So up and down for our Y values, vänster höger, or left and right for our X values. For example, we want to go to max. This spot here is called the origo. In English, we like to say the origin. And that has the special values 0, 0. The X value is 0, the Y value is 0. It's right dab in the middle. So if we are standing on the origo and we want to end up at max because we're really hungry, well, we need to go in two directions. We need to go left or right, and then we need to go up or down. So let's begin with left or right. It's clear to me that we need to go to the right, but let's count out how many we go. So if we look, we go 1 to the right, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's enough. So our X value for this is going to be 5. This we went 5 höger, or 5 to the right. Now we need to find out how much we need to go up. Well, let's check it out. So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Technically in the middle there, we go up 8. But you know what? These are going up by tens on our Y value. You notice there's 80, there's 70, there's 60. So we actually went up 80. So we can write 80 here, and we'll close our bracket. And this means we went up 80. So the coordinates for this point, or the coordinates of max, is 580. 580. Let's take another look at an example below. Perhaps you change your mind and you actually want to go to McDonald's. All right. So McDonald's, we need to go down and to the left. Well, let's count out how many we need to go down. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's enough. So we went down 6, but you see how they go up by 10. So we actually went down 60. And you see how the number became negative after we crossed 0. So we actually went down. So this is negative 60. So on our coordinates, we'll have an X and a Y coordinate. Well, our Y coordinate will be negative 60 for McDonald's. And if we count out how many we need to go to the left, we go 1 to the left, 2 to the left, 3 to the left, 4 to the left. We went 4 to the left, Well, that's -4. Remember, this number here is for left, or vänster. And then this number here is 60 down, or ned. And these are how you find your coordinates. Hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, smash that like button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, everybody.